Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today's a nice and wonderful day today because I got a lot of goodies coming in, and it's also a nice warm out. It's warm outside today, so we're gonna go ahead and work outside instead of working in the garage. So I'll show you what I got for today. Here we go. So I ended up getting a new NRG seat, bucket seat. I did, as you saw in my last video. I ended up getting the quick release setup, a new wheel. I bought obviously the platform that you need for this and the slider so I can continue moving it back and forth if I need to. And I also, in this little envelope right here, I got these little red things that cover this right here, I believe, or I think so, or actually it might be the reverse. I don't know. It's one of these two, but it pretty much makes the whole tail light red. And yeah, let's get to it. The reason I got the bucket seat was because, if you can see, my driver's seat is ripped, like every RSX seats usually do. Passenger side is not too bad, but yeah, the only reason I got the one seat was just because, like I said in my last video, I wanted my girlfriend to test it out, make sure she liked it, and of course she did. So now I should go ahead and buy the other side, but everything's gonna match the black and red theme inside. And the steering wheel is pretty cool too, so I'll show you once I get to it. But first I'm gonna start to undo the seat, and this is the easiest. The only reason I'm gonna wait with this is because it involves wiring and stuff like that, as you see up there, just to get the horn to work and to keep the airbag light off, I believe. And I'm not sure how to do that, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research in between. But yeah, and this might be a two-part video just because I'm not sure how long it's gonna take me, and it's already like 12 o'clock. I mean, the seat shouldn't take too long just because I know how to do that now. The steering wheel is what might take me a little bit longer. So if it is a two-part video, just keep in tune. If not, I hope you enjoyed the video. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take these 4 bolts out. There's one down there. One on the other side too. Then I'm gonna have to take off these airbag things, but first I should actually disconnect the battery before I do that. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I actually went ahead and disconnected the battery, so now we could safely remove the steering wheel and the seat without having any airbags deployed on us. So I'll continue doing this. Okay. I'll just keep them here for now. Right. And then I'll slide the head back way backwards. That's one. Okay. Alright, so now I just gotta get these 3 wires out. I'm looking out, sorry. Push that bastard out. Okay, that's one. This one. How you do it? It's a little different. I think this button. Yeah. That's one. That's 3. Alright, and that's it. That's how easy it is to take out these seats. Honestly, I don't know if it's that easy for any other car. There's just 4 bolts and 3 cables or wires, whatever you gotta remove. And the seat just pops right out. That's one seat. All right, now I have to figure out how, number one, this thing works. How this is supposed to operate. I'm assuming these little holes somehow attached to these little pins right here. Now I gotta figure out how or where to mount these onto here. Should just be self-explanatory like that. That hole. If I have it facing the correct way. I don't know. I mean, if you guys are watching, you guys are probably laughing at me. It's probably simple, but like I said, who cares? I don't know how this works. Never done this before, so I'll figure it out. So, yeah. The little grab handle right here fit into the little pins, so I just hammered it in. And this is the universal seat bracket. So I'm assuming that it's gonna sit somehow like this, all right? Because I don't know if you can tell too well, those holes might line up with a hole that's in the middle right here on the east side. This side's kind of weird. I don't know. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and install it like that and see what happens. And then these, where the seat connects to, brackets, I believe go into these holes. So somehow like that, possibly. Couple hours of getting it in. I knew it was gonna take a long time because it took me a while to figure out how those things went together. And then once I got it together, I had to adjust it constantly to get it to fit properly. But of course I didn't record that part just because it took forever. It's already 3 o'clock and I started at like 11. But yeah, so far it's in. It is a tight fit. So once I close the door, you see the shoulder pad. It is literally on it. So what I'll do is, because right now I had the seat a little bit towards the middle on the bracket. You can't really tell too well. But once I do the other seat, I'll adjust it so that way it's a little bit closer to the right side. So this side, so I do have a little bit of play there, or area to move it around. So it is a tight fit over here too. Yeah, that's how the car looks pretty much. Nice red seat. I like it. This is done. The next step is to do the steering wheel, which should be a little bit easier. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and show you what wheel I have. So I actually, well, first off, I went with a brushed steel kind of look for the quick release hub. The short hub is black. I'm pretty sure they all come in black, if I'm not mistaken. And put that there. So this is actually for a slingshot, one of those Polaris slingshots. But I found it matches perfectly with the interior. So it's a D-shaped steering wheel with the red racing stripe, and like you see, D-shape, and it's pretty small too. So the reason I went with the slingshot one was because I don't know if you ever been in a Polaris slingshot. The steering wheel is a little bit smaller, which I liked, and that's what it should look like. All right, let's get that started. So take the panels off. There's 3 screws in here.
Perfect.
So the next thing, there's, as you guys know, there's 3, I believe 2 screws behind here. So I just gotta take this little panel off. Like that. You see here, just gotta disconnect the airbag. Like I said earlier, I already took off the battery or disconnected the battery. That should be straight. I just gotta go find a tool. I don't know what that's called. Oh, that's pretty chewed up. I think it's called like a hex screw, probably. I don't know. It's called something. I just gotta go get it real quick. I forgot to mention, before you start messing around with the steering wheel itself, you have to make sure the wheels are straight. Because I totally forgot about that. So we're just gonna go ahead and double check that. So my steering wheel is not gonna be straight, just because when I took it off and put it back on, I missed the spline, so it's tilted to the left a little bit. So I just gotta make sure the wheels themselves are straight. So I found the screwdriver of some sort. It looks like that pretty much. I'm just gonna go ahead and take that one bolt out. There we go. This pretty much holds the, I believe, the airbag in. So that's one. Now I just gotta do the other side. All right, so now this should just pop off. You just gotta be very careful. You don't like yank it out just cause. Is there another one? When you take it out, the airbag is still gonna be connected to something. I forgot what it was. Here you go. So yeah, still connected down there. So you make sure you want to take that off. I'm just gonna have to put the phone down just because I can't do it with one hand. All right, there you go. So next I just gotta remove this bolt. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit and it should pop off. Actually, before I do that, let me take the, yeah, I gotta take the cruise control off. But yeah, so you just disconnect it up here. Anyways, you got the gist. So you just remove that, take this off, or you don't have to take this off, but this will be loose, all right? Then don't take this off all the way. Just take it off a little bit, so that way you have enough space to yank on the steering wheel without this whole thing coming off. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just do that real quick. All right, so like I said, just loosen it up. Don't take it off all the way. And then you have to shake the hell out of this thing to get it off. There we go. There it goes. Take that off. Make sure it moves out the rest of the bolts. Take it out slowly. Sure these. There we go. All right. That's done. Now, if you want to keep your SR, or what you call it, clock spring, I'm sorry. Make sure like I said, your wheel is straight, right? Make sure this stays straight. The only reason I adjusted it was because I knew the wheel was straight. In order to get that in straight, those two holes go into here, those two little pins, all right? So I just went and put it back normal. And then I'll take some tape, and I'll tape this so that way it's lined up here. And now that I know that it's set. If I ever want to reuse this, which I probably won't, but if I want to sell it, somebody's going to want to make sure it's, it's good. So I'll go ahead and just remove that, or tape that up. But I'm going to have to remove this right here, this wire. I think that's it.
Perfect.
Took it off. I was actually trying to take off this, which you don't. Take off this part. So it connects down over here where this other yellow one is, and it makes it easier. And then behind here, there's a little slit. There's like a little clip that you push up with a small screwdriver, right? Push it up like that, and then there's a clip down here. You push it up, and it should come off. So remember, so now that I taped this whole thing, the clock spring is not going to turn or anything. So this is good if I want to reuse it or sell it. So that's good. Now I just got to, let's see. I'll just put this back on. and I'll be obviously I'm gonna be using this. Only thing is, I might not do the horn today just because I really don't know what I'm doing with the wiring. It didn't come with any instructions. I tried to read up on it, and most people were doing like DIY videos, and I really don't want to take a chance. Everybody was cutting these wires up here, and I really don't want to take a chance and do something that's not right. So my friend Jordan, he knows how to do it. So today I'm just gonna be installing the wheel, and next time I see him, he'll take it off and do the horn for me. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and put this back. Let's see. I should just clip in. There we go. Okay. Now reattach these wires. All right. So I actually went ahead of what I was supposed to be doing, just cause I really wanted to get my horn working as soon as possible, because the next time I see my friend is gonna be for a while. So he helped me out figure out the wiring. So the two resistors, right, they both clip in or go into the little holes right here. I don't know the specific order, I just put them in. So the white one, I had to do a little bit of research. So the white one, I believe, is the ground. I'm pretty sure is what he helped me explain. And it's gonna be this just solid orange. So you see how there's the orange and the orange with two silver stripes? It's just gonna be the orange one, right? So I went ahead and plugged it in through the back just because I need all four in the front. Got it in. Then I took the white wiring and I plugged it in. And behind this, there's gonna be two wires. There's a black one and a yellow one with a female and a male connector. I'll show you right now. All right, so there. So like I said, I took the white wire and it connects to the yellow wire that's behind, that's connected to the, whatever this is called, the adapter, I guess. And the black wire connects to the ring. So when that connects there, just like that, right? Then you take your quick release hub, and then I just took the horn out just so I could test it out, and it worked. So yellow, black to black. So that's done. That's connected, and you can press the horn and it works. I only did everything loosely just because I wanted to make sure it worked, and it did. And big thanks to Jordan. He helped me figure out this whole wiring thing just because I went on forums and stuff and I just could not find how to do this. Anyways, so I finished the whole product. I tightened everything down. I had an issue because when I was tightening everything down, this white wire broke inside of the little connector right here. So what I did is I did one of these kind of tricks right here. You clamp this red thing down, which kind of intervenes in there. Anyway, the point is, it's done. It works. There's the new steering wheel. Everything's connected, and bam, it's nice. I love it. It actually matches really well with the red and black interior, which is the theme that I'm going for. And I chose the metal, like the brushed metal, so it goes along with like the katana and stuff. All right, guys, car's done. So this is the end product. Steering wheel's installed. I'm liking the interior so much right now. Can't wait to get the other seat, have it matching. But yeah, I took it for a test drive. I just gotta get used to being in a bucket seat, just because I've never been in one before. And also, since I got the steering wheel a little bit smaller than the usual size, it is like a tighter feeling, if that makes sense, with the steering. But yeah, it matches so good with the cherry blossom boot, the katana shift knob. Oh, I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. So if you guys liked the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. All right, deuces. Perfect.